An adult male downy woodpecker provides food to a family member. The adult male has the red coloring on the back of the head. This must have been a delicacy. It had 4 servings. Well, it appears that Junior is trying to feed on its own. The adult flies over to another tree. Don't know if this is temporary, but they've been on different trees for the last couple of minutes. Anyway, I gotta move on. Hopefully, the next long duck video, the 9, will be completed in August. Thank you for viewing.